Welcome to JH. Recently, everyone's inbox has been getting hit with emails about the Wawa settlement gift card, leaving most of you wondering if you've actually won something or if it's just another creative scam. Let's break it down. This whole mess stems from a massive data breach back in 2019 when cybercriminals treated Wawa's payment systems like an open buffet for 9 months. Naturally, a class action lawsuit followed because nothing says, "We're sorry we lost your credit card info," like a multi-million-dollar legal headache. Wawa eventually agreed to a $9 million settlement consisting of cash and gift cards, plus another $35 million for security upgrades they probably should have had in the first place. In a move that surprised absolutely no one, Wawa agreed to the payout while officially denying any wrongdoing. Because why take responsibility when you can just write a very large check? If you used a card there during the breach, you're likely eligible for a piece of the pie. The payouts are broken into tiers. Tier 1 gets you a whopping $5. Try not to spend that massive windfall all in one place. Tier 2 nets you $15, while Tier 3 offers up to $500 if you can actually prove you suffered out-of-pocket losses. These e-gift cards are being handled by CashStar, Wawa's official partner. And the good news is that payments officially started rolling out on November 19, 2025. People on Reddit are already bragging about their digital coffee money, so the distribution is definitely in full swing. Just a quick reality check. Wawa will never ask you to pay money to receive your gift card. If someone is asking for your bank details or a processing fee to send you $5, you're being scammed. Only emails from wgcards.com or CashStar are the real deal. So, yes, the Wawa settlement is legitimate and court-approved. If you filed a valid claim, your digital compensation should be arriving shortly. Thanks for sticking around, and make sure to subscribe for more updates before the next big corporate apology hits your inbox.